In, on, at, next to, behind and under. What are they? They're prepositions. That's what we're going to be doing today. Prepositions give us more information about places and time. What is the best way to learn them? Well, the best way to learn them is by having them used in groups of words together, like at home, at work. I'm interested in reading. In the morning or in the afternoon. As you can see, this is the best way of learning them. Rather than trying to translate it back to your own native language, as there might be a difference in the use in the languages. Now I'm going to give you some general rules about prepositions so you can make the right choice about what you're going to use and when you're going to use it. So let's start with in. We use in for a defined area when they're closed borders, something that is in. So here's an example. Here, the bowl. Here is defined edge, is a closed border. Or it can be a room. You have 4 walls. So a wall, a wall. It's my little friend koala. Where is the koala? The koala is in the bowl. You can see by the clear edge around. It's showing you. So the koala is in the bowl. So, where is my book? The book is in the bag. There is a book in the bag. In. So now we're going to talk about on. On is when something is on a surface. For example, my little friend koala is on the bag. He is on the bag. Where are my glasses? They're on my head. My glasses are on my head. At is for a specific location. For example, when we're talking about an address where somebody lives. For example, where does he live? He lives at 80/3 La Prow Road. Where am I? I'm at home. I'm at school. I'm at the cinema. No. Cannot because COVID. So, where am I? I'm under the table with the koala. We are both under the table. Where is the koala? He's behind the table. Behind the table. He's in front of the table. So, he's behind the table, he's in front of the table, and he's next to the table. Where is the koala? He's next to the bag. He's next to the bag. Where is the koala? He is above the bag. So, above we use when something isn't physically touching the surface on top of you. So, where is the koala? He's above the bag. Where is the koala? He's on the bag. He's in front of the bag. Where is the koala? Is he under the bag or is he below the bag? Well, it can be both. The koala is below the bag. The koala is under the bag. Below is something that is under, but it's not directly touching the surface of above. It doesn't need to be directly under. It can be on the side or at the back, but it's not directly under the bag. So, where is the koala now? It's below the bag. It's under the bag. It's below. So now let's look at between. So, between is something that is in the middle. Where is the koala? He's between the kangaroos. And where is the koala now? It's between the kangaroo and the bear. Now, let's have a quick review. Try and see if you can guess the answer before I give it to you. So, where is the koala now? He's behind the bear. Where is the koala now? He's in front of the bear. Where is the koala now? He's next to the kangaroo. Where is the kangaroo? He's between the bear and the koala. And one more. Where is the koala? Is he under the kangaroo or below the kangaroo? Remember, it can be both. But where is the koala now? He's below the kangaroo. Where is the koala? He's on the kangaroo. And where is the joey? So you remember, a joey is a baby kangaroo. The joey is in the pouch. The joey is in the pouch. So where is the kangaroo? He's at the castle. That's it for today. 4 prepositions. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. So, goodbye, Mr. Koala. See you later. Goodbye, Mr. Kangaroo. Goodbye, all my furry little friends. So, we'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.